Workplaces in Singapore must close from Tuesday except for 10 categories of essential services. First on the list are health and social services. So that means places like polyclinics and those giving community care or urgent dental services can stay open. And same goes for selected preschools and special education schools. Supermarkets, convenience stores and wet markets will remain open, while F&B outlets like coffee shops or restaurants can only do takeaway and deliveries. Food catering and manufacturing operations can also continue. And it's the same for firms supplying electricity or gas and transport operators for these facilities. So, petrol kiosks will not close. Water, waste disposal and other environmental services like cleaning of estates and markets will not stop. Funeral-related services will still be available. Public transport, including ride-hailing, will be unaffected. And it's the same for air and seaport operations. And there's also no change for logistics providers and freight forwarders. And it's business as usual for telecommunication and mail services, as well as online platforms for delivery or payments. Broadcast services and newspapers will also be available. And companies that deal with security can keep doors open, as well as those that undertake facilities management. So, for instance, disinfecting maintenance and major repairs to keep people safe. That means trees will be pruned and broken lifts will be fixed. Firms making essential products for the global supply chain need not shutter. These include semiconductors, pharmaceutical and biomedical science companies. Separately, firms that distribute essential products like household items or personal care products can still operate. Banking and financial services are exempt. So that means insurance, market trading and payments will go on. And under other services, hairdressers and barbers may open, but only for basic haircuts. Opticians and vets can also still go to work, but plumbers and electricians can only do emergency household services. Laundromats and shops that sell electronics or household appliances can stay open, and so too pet supply stores. Hardware stores are allowed to sell only building and maintenance-related tools.
Let me say that our measures are aimed at minimizing transmission at the workplaces and to significantly reduce the need to commute to and fro from our workplaces. I want to emphasize that this is not about business closure. This is about closing the premises for the duration in order for us to adopt the enhanced safe distancing measures.
Previously, we said that even if you were not operating essential services, some activity could be allowed at the workplace if there was no way for those activities to be done remotely. But now, we need all premises to close, and none of those workplace activities should continue. This is unless you are providing essential services or you have gotten a special approval from the Ministry of Trade and Industry.